welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is another unboxing video. So I've joined up for a new beauty box for the next 3 months. So this one is called the Beauty Box Club. So if you want to see what I've got today, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So I will add the cost of this one onto the screen, but I think we paid about $100 for 3 months worth. And this one came really quickly. I only subscribed to it about a week ago and I have it already. So that's pretty exciting that it was super quick. Now it is a much smaller box than the other ones that we have been doing. But I wanted to give this one a try and see what we would get in these ones. So opening it up, there is a bunch of like excess paper in here to stop it from moving around. And it comes with 2 little cardboard pieces here. They are separate pieces and double-sided. And it says everything that's in the box, like it gives you a little bit of background on everything, so that's good to know. Now this box is super cute because it's pink, and then on the inside here it actually has like a picture there, so really cute. But let's grab the very first thing on the top here, which is from Secret Key, and it is a starting treatment essence. So it's a starting treatment essential mask sheet rose edition. So this is what it looks like. It's just a cute little sheet mask. Sounds pretty good. Okay, so there was a bunch of sheet masks that would be put in the boxes, so it doesn't actually list what the price is for this one. If I can find it online, I will add it to the screen. But it's a cute little sheet mask. You can always do with one of them. The next product is from Devaney's. I'm not sure if that's exactly how to pronounce it, but it is a bamboo pedicure tool. So it retails for $10 Australian and is available at devaney's.com.au. But it's just one of these little pedicure brushes. So you've got the bristles on this side and you've got the part for your cracked heels and stuff on the other side. So the next product that we have is from Daily Concepts, and this is also from Devaney's. So this one you can pick up from devaney's.com.au. It retails for $10 and it is a mother of pearl soap / sponge, and it is 45 grams. So it looks like this. Now it is a very strong smell. I can smell it even without opening the box, but inside is an actual soap and sponge, you know, the 2-in-1s. I'm not going to touch it because I am allergic to a lot of soaps, so I will pass this on to a friend or family member. It does have a picture of it here, just showing that how it's used. The next product that we got is a Rimmel London Graphic Lip Liner and Liquid Lipstick. So it says to get better defined lips easily and precisely. It's the first 2-in-1 lip liner and lipstick with an ultra precise applicator to provide a smooth and easy application with a weightless satin finish. So this retails for $18.95 and it looks like this. So this is in the shade 110 Vibes. Now when I was reading that it's a 2-in-1 product, I thought, okay, cool, it's going to have like 2 ends, like dual-sided, but it isn't. It is all in one. So it's like a really small like doe foot applicator. So I'm not sure whether like the mixture is just like mixed in there. Maybe it's a formula that's not going to have any bleeding. But otherwise I don't know really how it's a 2-in-1 unless the product's like mixed up in there. The shade is quite nice as well, but I might pass this on to a friend or family member as well because I don't think I'm going to get much use out of this. The next product is from Australis and it is one of their Colour Inject Mineral Lipsticks. So this retails for $14 and it says that it is in the shade Greige Goose. So this is what it looks like. So just a standard like bullet lipstick. Now, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see, but it is like a grey purple sort of colour. So I'm going to see if any friends or family members want this. Otherwise, I'll pop this in a giveaway that's coming up soon, just purely because I don't need another lipstick and I really don't think I'm going to use this colour very often, so I'd rather pass it on to someone that may get some use out of it. So this second last product in here is a Lash X applicator. It is a plastic lash applicator. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a pink little lash applicator. I might pop this in a giveaway as well because I already have some that I really like and I use all the time, so I might pop this in a future giveaway. And the lucky last product is a pair of lashes to go with the lash applicator. So this is from Lash X as well, and it's in the style Aurora. So this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty packaging. It's like glittery all the way around, and you've got the little love heart peephole there, and this is the lashes. Now I will add on how much this is onto the screen as well, just because it says here that they retail between $5 to $20 depending on what style. So I'm not 100% sure if this is $5, $10, $15, $20, etc. So I'll add it to the screen. But for everything that we've got in here, I think it was a pretty cute box. Yes, it was a lot more like drugstore brands and everything, but that is okay. I'm excited to pass some of these items on. I'll add up the total as well and add it to the screen for you and let you know how much I paid for it, just so you can see whether it's good value for money. By the looks of it, I really think it is. I think we got our value in all the products. I wasn't expecting so many products actually, to be honest. I thought that it would only be, you know, 2 or 3 products just because it was such a small box. But yeah, they put quite a bit in there, so I'm pretty happy with that. So as I said, that we are trying this box for 3 months. If you know of any other beauty boxes that ship to Australia and you want me to try them, let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to give them a check out as well. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!